Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Halcyon Beach. Now this particular category is a Grande Luxe club level walkout. You're gonna love all of the club level amenities and that incredible Tranquility Soaking Tub outside. Let me show you what the room's all about. Now, as soon as you walk in to your right, you're gonna see here that you have a writing desk. So you've got two US plugs, USB, and a UK plug. I always bring a couple extra UK adapters so I can utilize all the plugs in the room. Now, you'll see this is a large king-size bed, one of those signatures of Sandals resorts. And on the other side, you have another US plug, UK plug, and then you also have a Bluetooth speaker. Up above, you're gonna have a fan. I love that they have those in all of the sleeping areas here at the resort. You've got a reading chair tucked over there in the corner, and then across from the bed, you're gonna find a large flat panel TV. It is interactive, so you can stream from your own device, you can watch what's on television, or you can see what's going on throughout the resort. Now underneath here, you can have a little more storage, and then let's head over to the Butler Pantry. Now I mentioned that this is a club level room. That experience is gonna start as soon as you arrive on the resort. You're gonna head directly to the Club Sandals lounge. They'll check you in there and you can take advantage of all the fantastic services of the concierges throughout your stay. They're excellent, they can help with reservations. They also have games in there to check out. Think of it as your extended living room and those people who can make your stay extra special. Now in the room, you're gonna get full-size liquor bottles. They have not yet been delivered here. And then underneath, you're gonna have your beer, wine, soda, juices, bottled water, and your favorite mixers in the mini fridge. Up top, you're gonna have a coffee maker and tea kettle. They have coffee and tea that they stock throughout your stay here. And one of my favorite amenities is that you're gonna get complimentary room service from early in the morning till late in the evening, so you can also have your coffee delivered if you like. Before we head into the bathroom, I just wanted to point this feature out, kind of a peekaboo feature, so if you want a little extra privacy to the shower, just go ahead and shut that. They also have a door here leading into the bathroom to add that extra level of privacy. Just inside the bathroom, you're gonna have your closet for storage. You have extra blankets, pillows. Down around the corner, you're gonna have an iron and an ironing board. You also have a full-size golf umbrella and a laptop-sized safe. And one of my other favorite features with the Club Sandals is that you're gonna get these comfy robes to use throughout your stay here. You've got your vanity right here, a very large backlit mirror, magnifying mirror, full-size bath amenities from the Red Lane Spa, and then underneath you're gonna find your hair dryer and the extra towels. Now keep in mind, if you wanna see all the spaces on this beautiful resort, the other rooms and suites, we have those filmed for you. And because this is a stay at one, play at three resort, we also have the other two Sandals resorts here filmed for you to check out. Now let's step into the full-size shower. I love that this is a step-in and the size. I'm a big guy, I have plenty of room to move around. You've got your shower head right there. Now let's head outside and check out your private patio. So now I'm out on your private patio. You'll see they have that beautiful Tranquility Soaking Tub. There are curtains that can pull shut all the way to give you another level of privacy. And then right here, you got a nice little table and two chairs. So that perfect place to take advantage of that complimentary in-room dining. Maybe have a cup of coffee or tea in the morning or a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening. Now this is a walkout category. I really appreciate that. This is a great view too. You can see what it looks like with the extra privacy as well. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any at Sandals or Beaches Resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, wedding, or honeymoon at an incredible value.